first mall visit in 2025. All right, let's see what's up with this Foot Locker. I guess they got a sales table, $80. Is that really a sale? I guess I'm used to Nike all the prices. Look at this, wow, barely got anything. Are these bad boys even on sale? They're not even on sale. 200? Really? They do got the 9s, because these aren't available everywhere. At least they do have 2 of the Air More Up Tempo lows, including the Olympic Air More Up Tempos right here. Regular price though. But they do got the 2 original colors of the lows right here. The Air More Up Tempo lows. I'm gonna have to grab these eventually. I'm a huge fan of those. Huge fan of the Air More Up Tempos. My favorite 90s silhouette, dude. I was like, what? They still got it's grade school. They got the grade school. It's a 5 right here on display. Dang, right after Christmas, no real red tags. Like, wow, I barely see any red tags in the grade school section right here. And in the men's section, pretty much the same. Very few red tags, man. What the hell? Dude got the Bondis though. Dude got the Bondi 9s, or the Bondi 8s, my bad. Bondi 8s. Their max cushion shoe. Man, that's a hell of a deal. Hell of a deal. $35 off. And I say hell of a deal because usually we rarely ever see Hoka's on sale. That's what's up. But Hoka's are branching out. They're selling more and more of them at different places. So maybe we're going to see more of them on sale. Maybe. Dude got the Clifton suedes right here. $130. Foot Locker Outlet did have one of these, and saw in the comment section one of you guys were able to cop. That's pretty dope. And seeing Hoka's that I've never seen before. They got slip-ons, and they seem way lighter. Apparently they're called the Restores. What the hell? What the hell? Do got them in multiple colorways. Nike section right here. Seeing very few sales. Wow. Do got a lids right across the way. They don't really have apparel at this one, but look at that. They're advertising like they do 75% off up to. They do have $10 hats at least. Got plenty of $10 hats. Question I have is towards the end, are they gonna move it down to $5? I don't know. That's a good question. They've done that sometimes, but not every time. I don't even know what the hell that is. Local crowns? What the hell? Got some Clippers hats go for $10. 47 brand adjustable hats. It said $10 sign and down, so all these go for $10. Some Dodgers trucker hat right here, yeah, 25 marked, so yeah, $10. Got this trucker hat right here. Got some Angels hats. These are adjustable, go for $10. That classic one's pretty nice. Got Bulls trucker hats. Got Atlanta Falcons trucker hats. These are 47 brand. Or these with the freaking rope. I don't understand that. But yeah, I got $10 hats, man. One of the smaller lids. Man, they got stuff, I guess. They do got Azumis, which I think they sell skate stuff, right? But they also got pop culture stuff as well. It seems like mostly skate shoes, including Forums on sale. $100, isn't that the regular price? The sale right there. Oh, including the Nike Calm slides. It says sale, but I don't really see a discount. They do got the Fool's Gone Wild shoes. I did show these once. Show you guys one more time. It does look like it has the Cortez midsole, outsole. Yeah. Well, I guess the midsole at least. The outsole's significantly different. $70. $70 for these. I did not see a price tag before, but yeah, these, you know, for the inner cholo in you, or if you're just a straight up cholo, that works too. But yeah, dude got them. $70. They do have more and more donuts merch if you're into car racing and just the car culture. Do got work shirts. $60 for those work shirts. They got pants and even the jackets, donut racing jackets. Pretty interesting. Canvas jacket right there. They have more and more t-shirts. They got hoodies right here. This hoodie's $85. Definitely not cheap. They also do have Nike SB t-shirts right here. They are going for retail $35. They have UFC t-shirts? I didn't know they got UFC t-shirts. Okay, okay. They're supposed to have some of the Fools Gone Wild t-shirts and stuff like that. I don't see any. They have t-shirts and hoodies. And he said it was over here somewhere. I don't really see it. They got a selection of shoes on sale as well. Nike Vertebraes, $40. What's this right here? Some Cortezes. I think this Cortez is going for $60 for these. Okay. Sambas, sports culture, skating culture, all kind of mixing. It's all kind of blending together now. But yeah, $70 for those. You see skaters wearing Jordans and stuff like that too nowadays. But yeah, they do got some sneakers on sale. $51 for these. Some New Balance dad shoes right here. No price listed. Got one of the nicest shoe palaces around. And this is the shoe palace. They're trying to make every shoe palace into this one. Just look at the display, man, just super, super nice. Shoe Palace is trying to use this floor model for every other shoe palace. We do have the metallic black 5s right here, the reverse metallic black 5s. These gonna end up at the outlets. I haven't seen these at every store, so it seems like they are selling out at some spots. $2 for those. They do got the 9s. Got a few of the Hydro slides right there. And all these are going for $65. I am a big fan of the Hydro slides. But I think lately I've been liking the Air More Tempo slides a little bit more. Got some lows right here that I've never seen. The cool gray low SEs right here. These are interesting. Got tons of patent leather on them. Got the University Blue one. These are what, $125. Still got the Fear 4s right here. Size 15. Size 15. We usually don't even see 15s in store, so that's definitely interesting. Probably a return. And then do got the gray cement 3s. I was hoping to find one of these at the outlets. Have not been lucky enough to do that. I don't know. We're gonna be able to find these at the outlets? I don't know. But these do drive me crazy. Like, I really like these, but the inside of these bad boys are black. So with this, I would wear black socks. With that, I would wear white socks. Kind of crazy though, because it's like the opposite colors. But I don't like getting a bunch of cotton balls, like white cotton balls on here, so I try to wear the same color socks as the linings. I don't know if you guys do that. But yeah, no playoff 6s. Are the playoff 6s starting to sell out at $135? That's what most shoe pals have them at. This is one of the doper colors of the 2002 Rs, and it is on sale. Pretty dope. Damn, I'm changing the settings on my phone and stuff, and it's still jittering once in a while. My bad, you guys did. My bad. But I do got plenty of New Balances on sale. Look at these 574s right here. Bunch of suede on it. A huge fan of these. And this black and gray one, pretty freaking nice. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of these. Got a separate section for New Balance on running, as well as Adidas right here. Adidas, they've been having the same things. What's up with that? Well, I guess Shoe Palace starting to get AE lows. This is pretty dope, because we have not really seen these at the mall location, so maybe they are starting to change how they do things. Like Nike basketball wouldn't come to most Shoe Palaces either, so maybe they are switching things up. 110 for those. Man, I can't believe these are still 110. That's what's up. They're gonna raise it drastically for the next ones, because these have been selling like hotcakes. Did I really say selling like hotcakes? Got my 70-year-old references. What the hell? This is the Nike section right here. Starting to see Cortezes go for hella cheap, $60. As well as these Vomeros. Right here. I'm a big fan of these Pittsburgh Steelers colorway right here. $100 for these. As well as the all gray and the black and gray right here. They really have all three of the Diamond Turfs on sale. The Deion Sanders, $100 for all of them now. Holy cow. That's what's up. I just saw someone trying these on and they just purchased these. These are nice, dude. I like the rope laces and stuff. $120 for those. Do got a Champs. It says 70% off right there. Is that for anything good? Then I don't even see a 70% off. What the hell? What the hell? Got a $5 thing right here. If I can find some of those CSG low socks, the black ones with the Reprieve, I'll buy them, but I don't think I'll see them because I rarely ever see those. Nah, they just got regular CSGs. These for $5 is kind of ridiculous, to be honest, though. Like, they're just regular crew socks, but that is hella nice. Look at this Jordan socks right here, $5, normally $24 down to $5. That is a hell of a deal. Hell of a deal. CSG socks right there. I don't see any of the ones that I really like. Yeah, the Jordan socks for $5. That's kind of crazy. For $5 freaking dollars. This one right here as well for kids. Man, that's what's up. That's what's up. That might be the find of the day so far. And they do have some tech fleece items. I see the green glows, glow greens. I don't know what the hell, but yeah, they are going for 50% off. These do look like huge sizes though. Okay, so tech fleece 50 off. But also got this as well. So they got a top and a bottom for this. Is it the same size? That's kind of crazy if it is. Entire outfit for 50 off. Not too bad. Double XL. That one up there looks really big too though. You do got crazy ones going for $50. I thought they'd be trying to get rid of a ton of stuff that they didn't sell during the holidays. Man, not really seen that. And even right here, only 25% off fleece. What the hell? Like, I feel like I've seen these 574s at this price for quite some time now. I do like it though. I do like it, but I don't know. I just feel like the sales aren't crazy. I really like this all black one right here. Nice suede material. They do have a couple more. This coffee colorway right here. Super long hair suede. And these are going for what, $90? MB4 is already on sale. Man, and I actually like this. I actually like this color. This colorway is fire as hell, dude. That is dope. University blue. Of course, that's not really UNC blue because it's not Nike, but powder blue. One of my favorite colors. Still got the mystery machine. Is that the mystery machine? Is that what it's called? I don't know, the mystery van. And two of the other colorways, and then got the La France right here. Okay, so these are going for 110. I like these casual shoes, man. I'm not bad, not bad. Then do got MB1s, 2s, 3s. We've seen all those on sale at the Foot Locker and Champs outlet, so hit them up if you like those. What are these right here? Some Converse basketball shoes. I don't really know much about these. No, I don't know. No price tag, nothing. Y'all learned the SB Dunks. Gotta check out Borders. Checking on the SB Dunk situation right here, and we got ones we've never seen before. I've not been paying attention to releases and stuff, but I do got these right here. Nicole House. These are pretty dope. These are pretty dope. I don't really need these, but interesting Nike swoosh because it ends early. It ends early. Most of the other ones go all the way to the back tab. These end early. And of course, these are Nike SB Dunks, so great material. Okay, I've never seen these. Guess they just recently released. Got the Safari ones, I don't know what the hell these are called. Has some velvet around the ankle collar. Green apple ones, the deconstruct ones, and then these mids right here. Oh, these are also like a deconstructed look. But yeah, these are, I think are going for like 145 or something. All right, they do have a bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna keep it moving. I gotta go. Do have a Hollister. I need to make a return or an exchange or something. 40% off select stuff. Damn, I'm trying to do an exchange. They're all out of the McLaren stuff. Gosh dang it. They moved on to this stuff right here, but these are going to be way more expensive, right? I think so. Yeah, 140. Dang, dude. So this is the one that my sister got him, and then he probably would like this one, but the price is like way higher. What the hell? Damn, these aren't on sale anymore, so it's gonna cost me like $30 to do the exchange. That's some BS. Dang it. Oh, they don't even have the size he needs anyways. God dang it. Oh, they got the McLaren ones right here, but that's not the McLaren one he wants. Oh wait, are they on sale? Are they on sale over here? Are these on sale? I don't know. I don't see a sales tag on it. Dang it. Dang it. So much for the exchange. Dang it. Dang, soon as January 1st hit, all the sales are gone. Damn, dude. Got one last store. Well, maybe. Of course, I gotta check the sales rack. And look at this. What the? $35? $35, really? Holy cow. Holy cow. They're slightly big. I do have a size 11 at home. These might work, dude. $35? $35. I might have to grab one, dude. Lakers colorway. One thing I'm curious about is it $35 everywhere, or is it that cheap just because this is the last size here? Sometimes a lot of sneaker shops, I know Foot Locker and Champs will do that. When there's only one shoe, they'll just price it hella low just to get rid of it. I'm gonna have to grab these for 35 bucks. I'm gonna have to grab them, dude. Damn. Yeah, it might be that, because look at this. This is $35 as well. These rarely even go on sale. Damn. Damn, I see my screen still. See my screen still jittering, dude. Man, I don't know how to fix that, you guys. But yeah, I do got these Reeboks 45. This is the last one here, and this one's not on sale though. Air Maxes. Got some New Balance right here. And the women's, look at this. Outlet like prices. Wow. I don't know what the hell this is. Phoenix waffles. Looks comfy, especially for 25 bucks. On running, we rarely ever see on sneakers for sale. $17? $17, what the hell? Got campuses right here. Got some mids. Decent sales. The women's Air Max 1 right here is significantly cheaper than the men's. Got Air Max Pluses right here. I think these are the Drift model. Vapor Max Plus is on sale. It's $100 off, dude. $100 off. Air Max 90s. Got plenty of them on sale. Decent prices. Is this the same as the one below? The ends under $100. That might be the first time we've seen them under $100 at a retail shop. $30 off for these. A couple more for $30 off. These Cortezes down to $80. $10 off. And apparently if they're looking for your shoe, tells you the status right there. I've never seen that. So they're currently finding my size 11s. That's the only one they have, man. That's the only one they have, dang it. Hope they could find the other shoe. Just got updated. Apparently it's on the way. What the hell? JD Innovating, coming out with new stuff. Ooh. The women's DNs on sale. Got campuses. What the hell these are? Some Vans. $35 off, I guess. Campuses and the women's right here. $60, almost 50% off. All right, grabbing these for $35. I kind of have to, right? I don't know. This is the type of stuff that happens. I'm trying to decrease my sneakers. I'm trying to get rid of some and just find crazy sales. But it is Laker colors, so you know I gotta grab them. Vomeros, pretty competitively priced. Got 2002 Rs, 550s. Got some decent sales. Got decent sales. Oh crap! These are also on sale for $40. I'm not buying two pair of Cortezes though. Got these as well as these. These are 35. These are 40. I'm gonna grab the Lakers colorway so I can match it with some of my Lakers stuff. That's a hell of a price though. That is a hell of a price. Wow. Cortez for $35 and $40. Where is it? Where is it? There you go, right there. That's crazy. That's crazy. So I did pay for them. Came out even cheaper. I don't know if it's a mistake. I don't know what, but came out to $25. It says Cortez on the left. 25 freaking bucks. Are you serious? That's crazy. Man, this is why it's like hard to decrease my sneaker collection, because I find something like this. $90 down to $20, and it matches a bunch of my Lakers gear. God dang it, dude. Had to get them, right?